combined class of 4th A and 4th B. 4th A को I think क्या करना था? 4th A को addition करना है ना? Addition.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do addition.
And 4th B को division करना है. 4th B मैं आपका question यहाँ लिख रही हूँ. One by one I will write 2 questions here. Adrika, how many questions you have been done yesterday in the division?
Ma'am, 2.
2 questions we have done. Which one?
Ma'am, just wait. Ma'am, the first question was rupees 309.
That you have done. वो कर लिया था बेटा हम लोगों ने.
But ma'am, the second question was not done by me.
Okay. So
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, I am writing question number 2 for 4th B. 4th B मैं question 2 लिख रही हूँ. जल्दी से copy कर लो. उसके बाद I'll share the screen for 4th A. 4th A आप addition ही करोगे. 4th A you will do addition only, but 4th B आप division करो. आप अपना अपना काम करोगे. Addition अभी I'll show you. These cameras are again off. Noel, what is this? Ayushi, what is this? Riddhi Agarwal, switch off your mic. Your cameras are still on. What is this, Noel? Apurva and Shaurya, open your camera. Mehul, Ridyansh, रोज बोलना पड़ेगा मुझे ये बात.
वो उसमें divide पे.
भविष्य, switch on your camera. Okay, beta, 4th A, 4th B के लिए. This is for 4th B. This question is for 4th B. They start doing it 2 and 3. First, second and third question mention कर रही हूँ मैं. Find quotient and division है, you know very well. ठीक है? Wait a second, I'm writing. Okay, first question is rupees 309.26 divided by 4. This is for 4th B. First question. Second question is rupees 1089.53 divided by 8. And the third question is क्या लेते हैं? Rupees 2599 divided by 20. The 4th B, copy down these 3 questions. Switch on your camera, Divyanshu, Ayushi, Pratyush. I'm going to throw you out of the meeting if you're not going to open. Mehul, Ridyan, समझ नहीं आ रहा है? Let me remove them. तभी ऐसे ही समझ आएगा, वरना नहीं समझ आएगा. The cameras which are off will be removed. दिव्यांशु, अभी तक कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ तुम्हारा. Let me just see कौन है और ये रहा बहुत.
मैम माय नेटवर्क issue.
मैंने क्या बोला बेटा? If you have network issue, please write on the WhatsApp group. Please write on the WhatsApp group. I'm just removing them.
Typed.
Write on the WhatsApp group. Type कर लिया? Okay, let me see. Okay. Let me check once again. Wait a minute. Let me check on the WhatsApp group. किसका message आ गया है? Harsh Agarwal. Okay, done. Harsh Agarwal को I'll let in. And Shaurya and Apurva, I got this. Shaurya, Apurva is allowed and Harsh is allowed from 4th A. And from 4th B में से किसका मैसेज है मेरे पास? डेटा प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? अपना कैमरा ऑन करने से डेटा ज्यादा लगता है. ये क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है? चलो, Mehul, I'm permitting him. Those who are having any data problem or any problem, just type here in the chat box. In the WhatsApp group. I'm going to remove all those students, those who are okay. हर्ष को I have allowed. दिव्यांशु, अभी तक कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ है बेटा. अपूर्वा एंड शौर्य को I have allowed.
send on WhatsApp group.
I got it. ठीक है. इन सबको तो मैंने परमिशन दे रखी है जिनके ऑफ है अभी. Okay. Fourth B, have you copied down these questions? Fourth B, these are 3 questions. जल्दी से copy them down.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth B, copy down the questions. Questions copy कर लो बेटा जल्दी से. Fourth A, I am giving you your questions. Question copy कर लो so that I can share the screen with fourth B. Fourth B अपना काम करेंगे, अब fourth A अपना काम करेंगे. I can share the screen with the fourth A. Sorry. Just complete, write it down quickly. And fourth A के लिए question is this. Wait fourth A. Fourth A, I'm going to share the screen with you. This is for fourth A. Oh, wait. The answers for that. Yeah, fourth A, start doing this. Fourth A, start doing this. Fourth A, start doing this. Fourth A, start doing this.
And ma'am, fourth B has to do the work which is written on your board.
Yes, fourth B को board वाला काम करना है. Now I hope Fahad and all these students जिनको भी मैंने बाहर किया था अभी कौन थे? Fahad, let me check. I have this switched on the camera or not? Ridyansh, Fahad, Ridyansh, Tanmay. फहद अभी भी ये कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ है. फहद फिर से बाहर कर दूंगी मैं. Noel, still your camera is not on. Very bad, Noel.
Ma'am, actually I'm eating right now.
Whatever you are eating, even you are eating, even you are sleeping, whatever you are doing, your camera should be on. Whatever you are doing. Fourth B, this board work is for you, and fourth A, this work is screen sharing work is for you all. Wait, मैं लिख दे रही हूँ उसको रेड पेन से. This is for fourth A.
Ma'am, in third one, after rupees 2599, you have put divide sign. So, ma'am, from our side, we have to put point
Oh,
zero पैसा.
wait. Sorry, बेटा. Sorry. अच्छा चलो 0.00 अपने आप कर लो. 2599 है वो, उसके आगे 0.00 अपने आप लिख लो.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot understand the third one.
You cannot understand the third one. 2599 rupees है ना बेटा, उसमें 2599 rupees और 00 पैसे अपने आप से लगा लो, 0.00 पैसे.
Yes, ma'am, I have put, but I cannot understand that. How can I do it?
कल तो
Ma'am, I
बताया था
also.
अच्छा चलो मैं इसे चेंज कर दे रही हूँ, वेट अ मिनट. कल तो बताया था बेटा. समर कौन से सेक्शन से हो, 4th A से हो 4th B से हो?
Ma'am, I am doing it.
Ma'am, B.
ओके ओके ओके. ये लो. ओके अब ट्राई करो. नाउ ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. बेटा I've changed this question everyone. 4th B. Wait a minute, 4th A. 4th B, I've changed this question. It is 2589.87 divided by 24. You also change it. In a rough column, you have to make it. Rough column you have to make for this. 24 की टेबल में 25 को बात है 18 आ जाएगा. 18 तो नहीं आता, then you have to copy 9 also. You put 0 in the quotient and what copy the 9 also. Then check 24 की टेबल में 189 कब आता है. Okay, like this. Do it quickly. I'm 4th B. I'm sure 4th I'm showing you. Excuse me.
Ma'am, please.
This is for 4th A.
Ma'am, how we will do the fourth one?
Fourth one, उसमें 5,000 rupees is given to you. If there are no paise, then you will put point or yourself and you will write 00.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is written in fourth? Ma'am,
4th A बेटा listen, हम क्वेश्चन A भी करेंगे और क्वेश्चन B करेंगे साथ में और बाद में चेक करेंगे जब 4th B यहाँ पर नहीं होगा, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड. अभी क्वेश्चन A करो, जब सबका क्वेश्चन A हो जाएगा 4th A, तब आप क्वेश्चन B भी करोगे और A B मैं साथ में चेक करूंगी दोनों. अभी नहीं करूंगी चेक. Whenever you finish it, you just tell me that ma'am we have finished it.
ma'am, I've done question A.
Okay. Beta, give me 2 minutes. Let others also do it. Just let others also complete it. फिर उसके बाद मैं आपको next screen दिखाती हूँ, वो question B की screen होगी. ठीक है? After that you can start doing question B. We will check the answers afterwards. I will tell you the answers afterwards.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, good. ए या बी, पूरे पूरा बोलो बेटा, ए में डन या बी में डन, ये ऐसे बोलते जाओ, सेक्शन बता
Ma'am.
देना अपना. Do not tell your name, just tell your section. Ma'am, section A, section B, done. So that I can know which section has been, was there, who has done. Beta 4